How to export trade history on Binance wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to export trade history on Binance wallet. So in that case, what you have to do is you just have to go and log in into your Binance account. So go to your home page and then go to your Binance and log in into your account. When you're logged into your Binance account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. Now first of all, you need to go to Binance trading history. So for that, click the icon from the top right and then go to the settings icon, and on this page you should be able to locate the trade history. Then you need to go to order history, or you could go to trade history. So if you are unable to locate the order or the trade history, you just have to press on the search bar and then type in order, and you will be taken to this page. So here you just go ahead and select trade history, and you should be able to locate your trade history. In my case, I don't have any record, so you could go to the pair and select all of that. So to export the trade history, click the icon, downward icon located in the top right hand side corner. As you select that, you need to go ahead and select the export button. You can go ahead and review all of that. You'll have successfully export trade history on Binance. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.